Expert military relocation tactics for fast turnaround. We have seen that the transition from April to May is the most volatile window for service members. You are not just fighting the clock, you are fighting the peak relocation surge of 2026. We have handled hundreds of military relocations, and in our opinion, the secret sauce is combining military-grade discipline with high-tech logistics. The Humidity-Shield, protecting sensitive military gear from Florida's spring chaos. Florida's spring weather is a beast. One minute it is 85 degrees with 90% humidity, and the next, a sudden thunderstorm is flooding the driveway. This is where most amateur movers fail. At Best Miami Movers, we use specialized Humidity-Shield packing. We do not just toss your life into a dark van. We use air-ride suspension and climate-monitored environments to ensure your gear arrives in the same condition it left. Seamless documentation and real-time logistics for maximum peace of mind. We have perfected the paperwork drill. Our team provides the exact documentation required for claims, ensuring you are not left out of pocket. This level of transparency is what separates a professional relocation from a logistical nightmare. By combining military-grade discipline with Best Miami Movers flat rate efficiency and weather-ready logistics, service members can turn a stressful spring PCS into a streamlined, on-time transition to their new post. Do not let the logistics puzzle ruin your excitement for your new assignment. Level up your strategy, secure your future, and let the pros handle the heavy lifting while you focus on the mission. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.